Greetings from WB Fraternity. This is Robin. In today's video, I'll be showing you what's new in Elementor version 4. Before jumping into the changes, let me explain what is Elementor version 4 or Editor version 4. The Editor version 4 is reimagined CSS class editing experience designed for modern workflows and long-term scalability. The version 4 features are being rolled out gradually. With each update, Elementor releases adding more capabilities to your toolkit. If you have been curious about what's new, how it works, and whether it's worth testing, stick around. I will walk you through everything step by step. So, to get the experience of the version 4, let's go to the staging website. So this is our sandbox website. Please note that it's on beta version, so test it on your staging or local website. So I believe you have already activated the Elementor, and to enable the version 4 we will need to go to the Elementor settings and we will navigate to editor version 4, and from here we will click on activate the new experience. After that we will follow the on-screen confirmation step and activate. So our version 4 has been activated. Now we can explore the new features and building with the version 4. To explore new features, let's create a page, add new page. Let's give a title, new in version 4, and edit with Elementor. Overall, the experience will be familiar, but first thing that we will notice, that is atomic elements. Currently there are 9 atomic elements. So what are the atomic elements? 9 streamlined widgets with a simplified 2-tab interface, general for settings, style for consistent universal styling. Once you master one, you have mastered them all. For example, if we add YouTube, completely rebuilt from scratch for better performance and accessibility. Same familiar option but as before, but optimized under the hood. For example, the 2-tab I have mentioned earlier, that is, one is general and one is style. Similar to that, every widget on the atomic elements will have the same. For example, let's add atomic elements. For example, let's add heading. We will have the same interface, general and style. This is the first changes that Elementor version 4 will bring, that is atomic elements. Next is class name improvements. For example, on the heading, let's go to the style and give it a class name. Test class 1. Create this name, publish, and let's view the changes, view the page. When you assign a class name in Elementor, it now matches exactly in your site's HTML code. No more random class names, making custom CSS easier and markup cleaner. For example, if we click this and inspect, we will see exact class name in here that we have created, that is test class 1. This is the class name improvements. Next one is styling indication or styling indicators. Groups like typography, borders, etc. For example, layout, spacing, style, position, typography, background, border, effects, now displays a dot when something has been modified. For example, we are on the heading. Let's change the typography, font family, Arial. We will notice a dot that indicates the modification. We can click it to see exactly which style is activated and which one is ever overwriting another. For example, if we click this one, the style 1 is crossed Arial, and we can see the style or dot in here as well. By clicking it, we can see the changes that we have changed the font family. Number four is the new tab behavior. For example, we are on the heading and we have changed the typography. Let's change the background as well. Color, let's change the color, and now we will go to the video elements. Let's go to the style. Let's change the border radius 10 pixel. So now if we click on the heading, we will go straight to the modified typography and the background. So this is the new tab behavior on editor version 4. Helpful for some users but can feel cluttered if so many tabs are open. Number 5, small changes but useful tweaks. For example, if we go to the background again, or let's go to the border, and if we click border radius, we can type the inputs directly from our keyboard. For example, 10%. As you can see, the percentage has been implemented. Now let's add a paragraph. Let's add a paragraph. Create this paragraph. Let's copy some content from here. For example, let's copy this one and paste it in here. Now that we have added paragraph and added text as well, paragraph widget now supports column for creative text layout. For example, if we go to style and typography, if we click show more, in here we can set the column. For example, 2 column, it will shown as 2 column. We can set to 5, it will show 5. So to demonstrate the scenario better, let's add some more text in here. Let's copy this one. As you can see, the 5 column. Another tweaks on the version 4 will be available, that is, every version 4 element now support IDs. From the general, we can set the IDs as well. Another simple but yet useful tweaks is quick clean button for input fields. For example, if we click show more and the line height set to 10, we will get a clean button, and if we click this one, it will be cleaned. Next one is responsive display control. For example, if we go to layout, and there will a new control, that is none, and let's click on the tablet view. On the tablet we will click none, but on the desktop it will show as perfect, but if we click on tab, it will not display. Number 7 is aspect ratio and object fit. We can apply custom aspect ratio to images and videos. So let's go back to the desktop again. Let's click on videos. Let's go to the size, show more, and from here we can set the aspect ratio 1:1, 4:3, and so on. And we can set the object fit as well. We have the fill, cover, contain, none, and scale down as well. Number 8 is cloud template kits, that is available only on the pro version. To use the cloud template kits, which is again the pro feature, we need to go to Elementor tools. From here we will get the website template, and we can export this website, and we can import website template as well. For example, if we click export, we can give a title. The title description will be here, and we will click next, and we can save it to library. Next we will see the editor permission. If we give a class name, again let's create a class name 1 and test 2. Editors and authors can't override admin created classes, keeping design consistent. As an admin, I have created this class. Editor and author can't override this class as well. There are some updates for accessibility updates, better hover, focus control for icons and images as well, more accurate area labels for forms and login wizards as well. Next we will see the new mask changes. For example, let's create a content, let's add the image, and from the advanced, if we click mask, enable mask, from here we have so many masks. Instead of 6 shapes, now we have 20 mask shapes plus the option to upload our own. For example, if we click custom mask, we can upload our own. So these are the first look of the Elementor version 4. Overall, Elementor version 4 is shaping up to be a huge step forward, faster, more accessible and more flexible. Remember, this is still in beta version, so use it only for testing and share your feedback with the Elementor team. Which new feature are you most excited about? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.